Lataeshia. I am so glad you tuned into my channel. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to take you back into making homemade old-fashioned French fries. For one serving, I peeled 2 potatoes, cut them. Here's a good tip: soak them in cold water for 1 to 2 hours. Afterwards, season them with black pepper. Next, this step is optional. I love to season my French fries with Cajun seasoning salt. Afterwards, mix the fries into the seasonings completely. This last step is optional. Add 2 spoons of flour for crispier fries. Next, heat cooking oil. Put fries in hot cooking oil and fry until brown. Simple, homemade, old-fashioned French fries, all done. Just add ketchup or your favorite sauce. For more simple cooking and desserts, subscribe to my channel at Lataeshia Miss Doll Lady World. Thank you for watching.